Dump site. Where?
Disconnected.
Let your music
Man, nigga, what the fuck?
premium. Host a jam with your friends and share your favorite songs with the entire squad without ad breaks. You can also play your favorite albums in any order with unlimited skips and repeats. Tap the banner to learn more.
Is the boy live? The boy live, man. Okay. Alright.
Fast and furious ati foot on the gas pedal fast and furious nikenje sana niko unaweza uliza Julius stone face atucheke tuko serious sema head but they can't bully us flow mysterious zao ni hilarious my small fish na waweka kwa aquarium I got buzz hard buzz kama titanium foot on the gas pedal fast and furious nikenje sana niko unaweza uliza Julius stone face atucheke tuko serious sema head but they can't bully us flow mysterious zao ni hilarious my small fish na waweka kwa aquarium I got buzz hard buzz kama titanium nichokoze ndo utajua sijatulia utakula mistari ukiyapwe tulia album ina drop lini mafans wako curious sina mula piga simu moja seniors man many cups they call me genius MR fly at the Trinidad if you do me good yeah do you right if you do me wrong kama kawa yeah do you bad time to get serious gang yangu imevunja high tunakunjanga magunga gote pro max unajua si uvuma niko na pen book na ruler twende right left wananita crowd mover nimesinda tunasema nimesunda baby girl twende home masane foot on the gas pedal fast and furious nikenje sana niko unaweza uliza Julius stone face atucheke tuko serious sema head but they can't bully us flow mysterious zao ni hilarious my small fish na waweka kwa aquarium I got buzz hard buzz kama titanium foot on the gas pedal fast and furious nikenje sana niko unaweza uliza Julius stone face atucheke tuko serious sema head but they can't bully us flow mysterious zao ni hilarious my small fish na waweka kwa aquarium I got
Yo.
hard buzz kama titanium
kama ni madogo tunapiga style various na flow kama maji utadhani mini Aquarius mambo tumeona kwa ground zao si scaria niko 34 na tembea niko area beef tunakula hapa na ku vegetarian weni jibo na bonga kama Marian kasi bling hapo dongi kama anyone kasi bling hapo dongi kama video nyenye mnadu tulisha doni nini kona kukopiwa sister do ground tumesikika sana hadi majuu dance on la confirm ukana udadus bongi sana siko tipsy mini gym chezo na cheza ni risky siezi breeze on flow badilishi tutaikill cheza chini cheza nichi kwa rap begin
sikia siko ubaya damn site iko chini Denzel keti chini na usikize kwa makini ukipata tena utambia mam nini backbencher na mkata backbencher ni supu tunachemsha mabit tunageuza na mistari zako bado zinaweza geuzwa ni serious pigia Joffrey Musiria na pack partner nikevas kwa mkia niko na idea si beef bandia nikidrop wanasikia kulia hata sina mambo sisi kumalizia career na kuhitaji
One second, man.
siwe ni bad acha tuongezee gear creative kwa mic mzoefu kwa mic insight zinapanda numbers don't lie MR kwa nini cash ati foot on the gas pedal fast and furious nikenje sana niko unaweza uliza Julius stone face atucheki tuko serious sema head but they can't bully us flow mysterious zao ni hilarious my small fish na waweka kwa aquarium I got buzz hard buzz kama
Titanium. All right. All right. I just shared the link so I can let people know that I'm live right now. Yep. Okay. All right. So, all right. Let me turn this off. Make it cleaner. So yesterday, I talked about price coming down here. You can see it did. You can see what happened down here. Yeah. I still think price is gonna go to this support level. So let me just take this off. So Jana, this is Bitcoin, BTC USD. It's been selling. It made a little pullback, made this resistance, and it pushed it right back to this point. But looking at it again with fresher eyes, yesterday, I was seeing price moved. Where the hell is that thing? From, okay, let me use this one. So looking at it, what I could see was when price came down here to this support level, price got pushed back up, then to this resistance level. And when it stopped, we realized that there was a resistance level. I realized that there was a resistance level here, so it pushed price down the first time. But then the buyers were persistent. They wanted to take price back up, but they met more sellers here. That means there's a lot of selling pressure above here. They push price down here. Then the buyers try to push it up again to go and break this level. They couldn't do it. They got pushed back down again. So this is telling us that price is consolidating right now and it's looking for momentum to go to either of these directions, either up or down. All right. So I put this here because it's like when price breaks this and this level, it's gonna give us an indication that it wants to go up. So that's why it's a buy. When you see price like breaks this support level, this resistance level, is gonna be giving us an indication to look for buys. And when it breaks this level, it's the sell. So looking at it like this, I can see that price has not been able to go to this low yet, but it got to this low before. It got to this point before and then tried to push up. That means this is like if the trend is changing, if you look at it, price is coming like this, and that means the trend wants to change and go bullish. But that's not always the case, because you can see what just happened over here. Price came down, failed to make equal highs to this, but made a lower high. So that means price is looking to go even lower because it hasn't showed us that it wants to go higher than this place. So you can see price started going down and breaking support levels. There was this support level up IV. It came, got here, got pushed up, looked for momentum, broke down, broke this support level, made a correction, broke down again to this support level, made a correction, broke down again. So this breakdown is what I was predicting yesterday. If you can watch the other video, I told you what I was expecting to happen. I got into this trade on my demo account. Price, I was looking. I just figured out there's a couple ways of spotting a continuation, because in this level there was support. There's buyers here, so price is not supposed to break this place easily, and when it does, it normally goes back up and then comes back down. You can see here. When it does this, when it breaks support level, when it breaks it, it always goes back up, looks for more momentum, then it comes. You can see it came down, but it wasn't strong enough. They got pushed back up to this other level where now is resistance, and they got pushed. Oh god. Okay. And they got pushed down. Sorry about that, guys. And the gap pushed back down into past this support level. So you can see that when it did, so what I usually wait for is price to make an indication, a correction, and a continuation to show me that it wants to go down. So the moment price breaks this, it went back up. So this is when I go down to the 15-minute time frame and start looking for indications to show me that price is trying to go down. So at this point, it came down. It did not break anything. But I remember looking at this yesterday, in the 5-minute time frame, in the 15-minute time frame, and I saw this. There was this fair value gap that was made when price came down into this level. There was this fair value gap. This one right here. Let me take this off so you can see. Price came down, made this fair value gap, and then when it made the fair value gap, I marked out this fair value gap like this because that's an indication that price has momentum to sell. So I marked it out like this. Then I was waiting for price to go back inside the fair value gap. You can see that on the I think you can see that on the 1-minute time frame. Go to the 1-minute time frame. You can see that it came back and got into this level, and now I was expecting a character change. You can see that when it came back in, let me take this off. When it came back into this fair value gap, I mark out this level here. So I'm expecting price made a break, correction, then a continuation. Then this is where I got into this trade. Then I looked for sales. And that's how I got into this trade. Now I was looking for sales and targeting the next level of buyers, because the price was selling and price sells to buyers and buyers buy to the sellers. So that's what happened. And you can see it went down. It reached to this support level, and then it actually even reached to this support level, hit it, and then there was a reversal. So it did not get to this other low, which I'm expecting it to do today, but I won't be in that trade. I tried to hold, but price started reversing on me, and it wasn't looking good, so I got out. But that's what happened on Bitcoin yesterday. Right now on gold, you can see that price is trying to go. It's still bearish, but you can see that it's trying to go bullish. It's moving towards that level. Let me look at the 4-hour time frame. You can see that there was this support level, this other support level over here, then went back up. This other support, this price came back and tried to make this support level here, but it got broken. So it's looking like, since it got broken like this, price is looking for momentum to come and just sell all the way down here. So right now, I'm still waiting on price to tell me what's up, but basically I'm still looking for a correction. This is a correction. This is an indication. This is a correction. Now I'm waiting for a continuation into this level where we can take sales up to this point. But if price goes and breaks this resistance level and goes up, that's gonna be an indication to look for buys. But right now we're looking for sales. So yeah, I should take this off. Maybe mark this because this is a high. Just made an indication that wants to go up. I'm expecting it to come back and break this. If it does this, breaks this like this, and then we're gonna be looking for correction down here to take price all the way up here, because this could just be like this whole trend could be this, in case you like this uptrend, downtrend, try to make a high again, refuse, couldn't do it, then do this, maybe that's what's going on, but there's the only one way to find out, is to wait for more confirmations. But this was the highest high before this low, so price just broke it. I'm expecting price to come back down into it. When it does, I look for when it does that, I will look for a correction from this point. A continuation from I'll get in on the continuation from this point and take price all the way up. Or if it does not do that and just comes down here and breaks this level, we're gonna be looking for sales, because it already made an indication that it wants to go lower. Indication this is a correction. I'm waiting for continuation to this point. Yeah, that's it, man. That's it for today. Let me see. This one went exactly how I predicted it to go. This is Euro USD. You can see that on the 15-minute time frame. Price made this. Wait a minute. So there was this low I marked the previous days. Price came, made an indication, made a correction. Then I was waiting for continuation from this correction. So I went to the 15-minute time frame. Then I looked for the low, waited for support to be broken. When it got broken, that was an indication. Then there was the correction. Then I got the continuation. Boom. Then I targeted the next support level. You can see it broke down past the indication, and then it went past this support level. But this is where my stop loss was. You can see it just went through it. So this was a banger trade. This one too, I'm not so sure, but yeah, this one's gonna go down too, I think, because it broke this support level. This is indication correction, broke the support level. You can see it going down, so I'm expecting it to go all the way to the support level or to the next level of buyers, because buyers are right there. That's why it made that you can see buyers are there. That's why it made this reaction, the upside. So I still think price is gonna go to this level, so fingers crossed. Yeah, man. That's February 19th, 2026. We out here, man. Let's go.